Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very attractive and very beautiful New Year wishes greeting card with the pop-up technique. So these are cutie pop-up butterflies. Isn't it very pretty? So let's get started. For this we need scissor, orange color craft paper, pattern paper, green color cardstock, white gel pen, quilling tool, black and orange marker, border punch, liquid glue, black and yellow quilling strip. First I am taking this 30 by 10 centimeters orange color craft paper, and from left side I am creasing on 10 centimeters and on 20 centimeters. Now fold this in zigzag manner. Like this. Then I am taking my pencil and just find out the center of this part and start drawing the sketch of butterfly. Now I am just outlining this butterfly using my black marker. And now start cutting this butterfly using scissors. Now open this so you will get 3 butterflies. Now again close it and I will color it using my black marker and white gel pen. same way repeat on other side. So this is done. Now I'm just creating some tiny dots using white gel pen. In the same way repeat for other 2 butterflies. So after adding, it will look like this. Now I am making the texture on each wing. For this again I am taking my black sketch pen and orange sketch pen. It will give you a real natural butterfly look. So this is done. Now folding each butterfly from the center like this in zigzag manner. Now taking this 30 by 12 centimeter green color cardstock base, this is having 250 GSM thickness, folding it from the center. Now take your butterflies, again fold it like this, and I will just paste it using liquid glue. So the pop-up portion is ready. Now to decorate it, I am making some little cute quilling butterfly. So I will start with the wing. For this I am taking 2 strips of yellow color and half strip of black color and making one big teardrop shape. Then I have already created one small teardrop. I will show you one more. For this I am taking 1 strip of yellow and half strip of black and again making small teardrop. Now join all 3 teardrops with each other and wrap it using black color strip. Like this. In the same way I have created 2 small wings. For the smaller wing I have used 2 half strips of yellow and 1 strip of yellow for the center petal, and rest the process is same. Now to create the center of the butterfly I am taking half strip of black color and making one long leaf teardrop shape. So that will be the center body of the butterfly, like this. So it will look like this. Now I'm taking one pattern paper and decorating it using punched border design from top and bottom. Now I will paste this pattern paper on the base, green color card base. Then I am adding this New Year wishes handwritten sentiment. Then adding the butterfly. Then I am adding these small buds and leaves which I have already shown in my video. If you want to learn these, I have given link in description box. You can learn from that link. Like this. Now I'm adding V scroll as the antenna of the butterfly on the top. So the cute, beautiful pop-up butterfly New Year card is ready. Isn't it looking very attractive? And I'm sure you can make it very easily. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.